Hey, welcome to AI EdTech Job Seeker channel today. Today we will know through this video, what is Documents Controller job responsibilities and how to work Documents Controller boys and data-driven than ever before. We will tell you through this video. Stay with us till the end of the video. In this complex landscape, a crucial role often operates behind the scenes, ensuring that the gears of industry turn smoothly. This role is that of the Document Controller. A Document Controller is the guardian of a company's information, managing the life cycle of documents from creation to final archiving. This job is incredibly important. Without organized and accessible information, projects can falter, deadlines can be missed, costly mistakes can occur. Think of them as the librarians of a project, cataloging every piece of data so it can be found and used correctly. The primary duty of a document controller is to manage the flow of documents into and out of a project or organization. This process begins with receiving and registering all incoming documents. For instance, when an engineering firm receives a new set of architectural drawings from a client, the document controller is the first point of contact. They meticulously check the document to ensure it has all the necessary information, such as title date, author, and revision number. They then log this document into a central register or specialized software, assigning it a unique identification code. This code is the document's passport, tracking it throughout its life cycle. Show life cycle flowchart. Another core responsibility is version control. Projects are dynamic and documents evolve. A design specification might go through 10 or more revisions. The document controller ensures everyone is using the latest approved version and archives older ones to prevent accidental use. An outdated blueprint or an incorrect specification sheet can trigger domino effects, causing major financial losses or hazardous situations. The document controller is a vital checkpoint, a human firewall that prevents such errors. They ensure office and field work from the most current document, creating a single source of truth. In a world saturated with information, the ability to manage it effectively is a superpower. They bring order to chaos, emails, reports, drawings, contracts. Distribution and access control are central, protecting financial data and proprietary designs, and preserving master integrity. Finally, archiving and retrieval, moving inactive docs to secure long-term archives, and locating files years later when needed. Systematic storage and retrieval save time and mitigate legal risks. This structured approach lets teams collaborate with confidence, knowing information is trustworthy and secure. The typical day for a document controller is structured and methodical. It begins with a thorough review of new information, checking a dedicated inbox, a shared folder, or a document portal. Each morning, sift submissions, triage by priority and project, and run quick checks for completeness and formatting. Enter each document, assign a unique number, add metadata and tags so the system stays searchable and effective. Save in the right folder with strict naming, and update the master register. Notify relevant team members, manage workflows, and act as facilitator for file location and status questions. Char 07. Where is file? Route to reviewers with deadlines, monitor progress, send polite reminders, and keep the chain moving. Tools are central. Shared drives for smaller firms, specialized EDMs for larger ones with numbering, workflow automation, and audit trails. Be proficient in uploads, permissions, transmittals, and smart searches. Technology is your constant partner. Starting a career as a document controller is an accessible goal. Many entry-level roles require a high school diploma or equivalent. Certificates or diplomas in business administration, office management, or library and information science can give you a significant advantage. You don't need the title to build skills. Organize the shared drive, create trackers, label project binders, and define naming conventions. Document achievements and build a simple portfolio with before and after examples. Target entry-level admin roles in industries that rely on document control, engineering, construction, manufacturing, like project administrator or team assistant. Observe formal processes, learn industry documents, build relationships. This exposure is a stepping stone to dedicated roles. Boost your candidacy with short courses in document control, records management, SharePoint, and quality systems like ISO 9001. Taking initiative demonstrates commitment and makes you a more attractive candidate for your first role. To excel, prioritize exceptional organization and attention to detail, the antithesis of chaos. Have a systems mindset and spot inconsistencies, a misplaced comma in a document number or an incorrect date. Find satisfaction in perfectly organized cabinets and flawless digital directories. Strong computer literacy is non-negotiable, especially Microsoft Office, with Excel for registers, status tracking, and reports. Be quick to learn eDMS features from uploading and tagging to permissions and audit reports. Write concise notifications, chase overdue reviews politely, explain procedures, and listen carefully to help teammates. You'll handle sensitive information. Integrity and a calm, patient approach are essential. Stay self-motivated and accurate, even with repetitive tasks. Employers value reliability, methodical work, and a problem-solving mindset to resolve minor system issues. The role of a document controller is not a dead end. It is a gateway to rewarding paths. Start as junior or assistant, grow into senior or lead, manage teams, and own complex project documentation. Branch into project coordination or project management. Your organization, communication, and process skills transfer. Or specialize in information governance, records management, or quality management. Be a lifelong learner. Train on new DMS tools, understand regulations, and track best practices. Create simple how-tos, offer short trainings, keep registers spotless, and audit folders regularly. Make the system user-friendly, become the go-to expert, and build trust for advancement. The role is vital, bringing order, clarity, and reliability to business information. You manage the document life cycle with care and precision. You ensure projects run smoothly, minimize errors, and enable effective collaboration. Start now. Master Office software. Practice organization. Create folder structures. Build trackers. And update your resume with file management and admin skills. Look for entry-level administrator or project assistant roles. For more help, write to carebadabusiness.deliac@gmail.com. Ask for tips or course ideas. We wish you the best of luck with your career as a document controller. Like and subscribe for more.